Today we have an RS6 C8 in for an Urban Automotive Kit and a special set of wheels. We've already done quite a bit of work with this car already with an Akrapovic exhaust system, some intake work as well as some fancy paddle shifters. But let's talk about what we're actually going to do over the next couple of days with this car. So here is the Urban Automotive Kit, and it consists of a set of side skirts, front splitter, rear diffuser and a double wing element. So one goes on the top on the boot tray and the other sort of sits just under the rear glass. We've also got a set of Vossen forged wheels that are going on. I'm not going to showcase those just yet. I'm going to let you guys at home see that as the big reveal once this is done. I'm going to talk a bit more about the kit once we're complete. We're really rushed and limited with time at the moment because we're super busy. As much as we'd like to film the whole process, it's quite involved and we just need to get head down with it. So I'm going to show you and talk about this kit once it's installed on the car in all of its glory. This car has only done 1,100 miles. It's pretty much brand spanking new. I'm looking forward to seeing what this kit looks like and show you guys at home. So enough about all of these parts. Let's get on with the build and I'll showcase it when it's finished in a couple of days' time. See you in a bit. So the Urban kit's now installed along with the wheels. Let's talk about it because it's now looking a bit of a beast, isn't it? Effectively, it looks a bit more like a Batmobile than an actual RS6. I'm digging it. I'll be interested to know what you guys think. Let us know in the comment section what you're thinking on this car. But let's talk through the kit itself. So obviously we've got this front splitter, which keeps the original front splitter intact. So effectively it bolts on underneath. There's no need for sealer on this bit. I'll talk through a bit of sealer on the back end once we get there. But whole different front end, if you like, now this is installed. It looks mega, it looks really mean. If we work our way down the side of the car, you'll immediately see these Vossen Urban Automotive 22-inch wheels, which, yeah, I don't envy the owner who's going to be cleaning these wheels because they look extremely busy. I really like them, but they're going to be a hard time to clean them, I'm sure, but look amazing. We've then installed these side skirts, which are obviously on both sides. Again, keeps the original skirt in place. These just bolt on underneath. We've used for the front end and the sides, we've used double-sided tape, so no need for any sealant. If we work our way to the back end, where this is its real party piece, you've got this really chunky diffuser, which looks absolutely awesome. I love the herringbone weave. If you guys can pick up on that on the camera, it's a really nice feature. Obviously, next to the diffuser itself, we've installed an Akrapovic exhaust along with a few other bits and pieces on this car. So if you are interested in the build, then have a look at some other videos because we've done quite a few things. There is a little bit of a caveat with this diffuser. If you have a tow bar, which this car has, you will have to disable it because otherwise you'll be carving out a massive hole into your new diffuser, which would be an awful shame. So we've disabled and deactivated the tow bar, which this customer's not towing anything. It wasn't really something he was interested in, so he preferred the look of the diffuser. And then finishing up, we've got these two double element rear wings or rear spoiler lips, which look awesome. So these you're supposed to, or it's recommended that sealer is used, at which point you'd have to sand down the paint and then use sealer, but we have a specially developed double-sided tape that we use, which negates the need for sealer. It's a lot of prep time, just making sure the paintwork's really clean, there's no grease or anything like that. Also, this car has been ceramic coated, so it means we've had to remove some of the ceramic coating where these sit, and then use our double-sided tape, but I can assure you these are not coming off. We put them, the double-sided tape on a lot of other vehicles at the front end for like canards and things like that, and they hold firm. So very, very secure, lovely fitting parts, must be said. They are, although very expensive, they fit really nicely. Everything edge to edge lines up. It's just, as a whole, a really nice bit of kit. And I know Jack, the owner, is going to absolutely love this when he picks it up in a matter of hours. So that wraps up things here. As I said, if you've got any interest for any other bits and pieces RS6 wise, whether it is an urban kit or in a Krapovich exhaust or armor speed intake or some paddle shifters that we've done on this, get in touch. But really pleased with how this has gone. As I said, do leave a comment below what you actually think of this car. It looks mean with the triple black paintwork, carbon wheels and interior all being blacked out, proper murdered out spec. So anyway, for the moment, for the time being, thank you very much for watching. We'll see you guys next time, and I hope you've enjoyed the video. See you soon.